Hello my dear students, yesterday we learned how to multiply decimal number with 10, 100 or 1000. Now today we will learn how to multiply of a decimal by a whole number. So exercise 3C, this is, and it's fourth question, third part. This question 87.6 multiply 8. So this type of questions, firstly you can ignore the decimal and you can write simple 876 with 8. Multiply you know how to do. Now what to learn in these questions, how to write answers when decimal numbers are there. So how to write answer, you can write question again. So after one digit here is the decimal. So in answer also, after one digit here should be the decimal. You will count the digits and write the answer like that only. Okay. Now, ninth part you can see. This is the question. 0.0009 multiplied 729. So firstly you ignore the decimal and simply it will come only 9 multiply 729. Multiply like this only. Afterwards how to write answer, that you must understand. So 1. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4. After 4 digits, this is the point. So in answer also, you will put the 1, 2, 3, 4. After 4 digits, you will put here point. And starting 0, you can write yourself and this will be your answer. So this is very simple and other parts you complete yourself. Now we will learn multiplication of two decimals. So I have taken fifth question, third part from exercise 3C. This is the question. Now here we have to multiply these two decimal numbers. Firstly you will multiply simple numbers. You will multiply 35 with 16. Multiply you know how to do and you will get 560. But in these questions we want answer in, we want a decimal in answers. How to write that answer? After 2 digit here is the point and here after 1 digit the point. So total 1, 2, 3. After 3 digits we want the point. 1, 2, 3. Here we have to put the point and starting 0 we can write ourselves. This 0 no value. So your answer will be 0.56. Now ninth part you will see how to do. So this is the question. So this question firstly we will take the simple numbers. It is 19 or it is 86. You can multiply 19 with 86 or 86 with 19 your wish. You can change the order of the multiply. Afterwards when you will multiply you will simply get this answer. But now we want the decimal in our final answer. So this is the question, how to write the answer. This is very important, otherwise your sum will be wrong. So after 1, 2 digit there is decimal. Here after 1, 2, 3 digit decimal. So total 5 digits. So you will write 4, 3, 6, 1. This is only 4 digits. You know here we will write 1, 0 ourselves. And here will be the point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And starting 0 also you can put yourself. And your answer will be 0.01634. So these questions try to understand how to put the point. You will count the number of digits in both the numbers and after that much digits you will put the point in the answer. Like this way you will complete other parts of this question yourself.